Hi guys, this is gold M5 chart, and as I said earlier on, look for shorts below the red or longs above the red, and this is where that 1 2 3 is very important. Now you see this trend line holding, then you had a break of that resistance. Now 4 green candles here. Basically, that is to suck in all those dumb traders. Yeah, so often they see the tail, green candle, they go long on a break, red candle, now they panic and then they exit, right? So last few days I've been doing a lot of one-to-ones, going through a lot of traders, and I'm pleased to say vast majority in the group, they are avoiding all that crap here. Yeah, really patiently waiting. But there are still a few minority who get sucked into these silly trades. And then what happens when you get into these silly trades? FOMO. It becomes a losing trade, and then once that losing trade comes in, you then get a perfect signal, a textbook setup. Now they doubt and they don't take that blooming trade. Hi guys, this is a follow-up on gold. This is an M1 chart. Let me just flip it over to the M5. And see on M5 now I get a good A-shaped 1 2 3. Yeah, break of the 2 to 3 line. Bob would be above here, but key point is there. Can you see the rising bottoms there? And when you actually see that rising bottoms and also that strong support at yellow holding, then I would shift over onto the M1 chart and see on M1 I've now got a higher high and rising bottoms break there. Yeah, ideally, see what I really want to see happen is that the break should be above the M1 trigger. So I'm not taking a trade there. That red candle again is to suck in all those FOMO traders. Yeah, so what you really want to see happen is that Bob to happen, right? Patiently wait, then it goes back up again and closes above, and you would take a trade. This is on M1 over on this candle, and on that the M5 candle has closed and the next one has gone green as well. Now that is 40 pips there. Your stops would have been just here or there. Yeah, but even if it's there, that is nearly R1.5. If your stop is there, it's just under R3 bent. Yeah, so this is the way you got to be very patient. Okay. Hi guys, this morning I covered gold extensively, and I had said that if yellow holds, we got to be looking at longs, okay? And also I looked at the scenario why one should not be looking for shorts if yellow holds. Now this is M30 chart. Look at that A-shaped 1 2 3. Do you see that? Yeah. Look at that tail here. Tail. But look at the rising bottoms, which is something which I mentioned in my earlier video. Okay, now I go over onto the M5. Okay, again, see that A-shaped 1 2 3 price consolidation. Remember I had said that prices are moving sideways, so I am not touching it. Yeah, very important. So look at that. That's a good 1 hour of patient waiting. Then you have a break of the 2 to 3 line there. Nice A-shaped 1 2 3, break of 2 to 3 line, and it goes up. That's that mini pullback. Yeah, and you get a break of that micro 1, 2, 3. Green. Now you see, look at the ribbons, they're all sloping up. Tail, 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 which is really telling me that this wants to be going up, up, and up. Okay, you take a trade either on this candle or that candle, right? And straight away, I mean, right now it's approaching 250 pips there. Okay, guys, I've really enjoyed trading gold today. Yeah, as I keep saying, it's my favorite, and on average, right? On average, not a single day goes by for the last few weeks without me not banking 200 pips on this. Yeah, so all morning I've been covering the long trade there. Now this is against the trend trade, which I've taken a short trade. So as soon as I started seeing the tail here, why? Because it is deeply overbought. Yeah, so I said, fine, let me have a look at the short. And then I went over onto the 5-minute chart. Look at that tail, lower highs, okay? And then I went over onto the M1 chart, and see there, it created a 1, 2, 3 there, lower high. Yes, supports there at the ribbon. And I took a trade on this candle here. So see that was a big green candle. As soon as I saw a red, and the stop is there, right? Very tight stop, as you can see. And just in the last 1 minute, I have exited my TP1. Now see, this is a very aggressive entry, and I've actually banked R3 here. And that's where my TP2 is. Yeah, even if I get stopped out, I will have banked R2. So guys, this is the way to trade. Okay, you got to have super confidence. B, when the setup comes in, no doubt at all. There must be no doubt at all. Action must be instantaneously, right? But equally at the same time, patiently wait for a low risk, high probability trade. Yeah, FOMO should not come in. Very important, right? FOMO should not come in. Again, I would say what I've given you guys today is literally taking you through step by step on gold, because I've done quite a few videos here, haven't I? Yeah, this is the high of yesterday. Right now, supposing if I go back over onto the M30, that's big tail there, yeah, and if H4 gives me that big tail, I tell you what, gold's gonna collapse, and I'm literally gonna be moving my targets lower and lower. So the key point is I'm gonna be watching H4, H1, right? Look at that big tail here. Can you see that? And if I can get a new candle close here as red, I would even be looking to add to the position. But the key point is, let's wait and see what happens to that candle close. Hi guys, this is a follow-up from my earlier video on gold, where I taken an aggressive short, and I said if the M1 trigger holds, then I shall be looking for a reverse onto longs, and the trigger did hold. Price breaks that 1, 2, 3. I get that mini pullback. Again, see how I waited for that mini pullback bob. Taken the trade here, banked 50 pips, and after that I'm trailing my stops. And yeah, if I can see momentum above 25.38. I think this could go sky high. For shorts now, we'll only be looking for a short below the highs of yesterday. Okay, so long as it remains above the highs of yesterday, it's a case of being long, and long. Okay. Hi guys, this is GBP USD chart. See how I patiently waited, right? So see here, this is an M1 chart. So this was the trend line from M5, okay? Trend line from M5, breaks the triangle. Now see, I've got a series of lower highs, but can you see that small triangle forming? Yeah, I could have gotten in there, but see here I had lower high and higher low. See, so I waited for that triangle to break. It broke. I didn't get in here. I patiently waited for a pullback and I got in here. So because my entry was so perfect, I literally got in with a 5 pip stop. Yeah, I repeat, 5 pip. I've just taken TP2 and that is R2. Yeah, R2 is my TP2, and now I'm just gonna let it run. And hey, if this yellow breaks, this magenta breaks, this is gonna go down heavily. If that holds, then I'm gonna be looking for longs. Yeah, and if that breaks, then I'll start trailing my stops. If I get stopped out, that's R1 stop. I still have made R1 profit, isn't it? Because I've made R2. So do you see how important it is to patiently wait? Yeah.